Hi, in this video on LJ Air Cloud, we're going to show you how to use what we call the devices tree. In the dashboard view, under devices, to the bottom left of the screen, we have our devices tree. This shows a list of all the devices that you have added to your account or have been invited to by another user. From here, you can enter the devices AHU view, and you can see there are some symbols beside the device. This one shows that it's missing a geolocation, and this one is an invitation to a device from another user. By clicking on the edit icon, we can move the devices around as we wish, and then we can add a new group and change its name by double clicking on it. And click there, and if we wish to add a subgroup, we can do the same. We can now drag our different devices to whichever group we wish. And then once we're happy with how we've done it, we press save. You can have a maximum of 5 groups and subgroups. For more information, please visit our website at www.ojelectronics.com.